Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your WhatsApp chats on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, so first we need to launch our WhatsApp, of course, and now click on those three dots in the top right corner and go into the settings. Now scroll down and find chats. Scroll again and tap on chat backup. Let's begin with Google account, and in here we can see into which Google account we are currently signed into in the settings of our device, and on that account, in my case, the backup will be saved and stored in the cloud, of course. If you want, you can click on add account and you can sign into different Google account. And now let's say that we want to restore that backup later in the future. So if you want to restore it, you'll need to be signed into the exact same Google account that you have selected right now during the backup process, so you cannot forget it. Now, down below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is turned off, and as you take a look, in my case I selected the monthly mode, which means that the backup will be automatically made each month and I don't need to do this manually from now on. Really convenient and comfortable feature, so if you want, you can pick between those modes available on the screen. I'll stick to the monthly. Let's also include the videos in our backup, make sure that it's enabled, and on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. It's an extra security feature. It is not necessary to turn it on, but if you want, in here you'll be able to create a unique password that you'll need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But be aware that if you create a password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore your chats and everything will be lost. So if you choose to create it, don't forget it. But just like I'm saying, it's not necessary. But we need to have some free storage space though. We can check it right in here. If you don't have enough, click on Manage Google Storage, open in the browser, and you may have to delete something to get more space. And now to create a backup, simply hit this green button. The whole process will begin. In my case, it will take like 3 seconds because I don't have many messages on this account, so as you take a look, it's already finished 100%. We have the last backup, we can see the hour. It's the same, so it's a confirmation that everything went successfully. Down below we also can see the size of our backup. Now everything is stored in our Google Cloud. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.